Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Habit Carbon SE 2020 model year. A mountain bike with its priorities straight, progressive design, maximum agility, proven durability. This bike equipped with a 130mm travel frame, and reliable fork RockShox Lyrik Select Plus. And SRAM GX Eagle high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as SRAM Code R Hydro Disc. Cannondale Habit Carbon SE equipped with good tires, Maxxis Assegai. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.